Good morning, my name is Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola. This morning I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of one of our most recent trades, a 2018 Harris 250 Crowne. We'll start on the transom. This boat is powered with a Mercury 350 Verado. Notice along the transom area you'll see the safety gates, which is nice on the single lounger because you can still ride facing aft. As on the single lounger on the Crowne, this seat flip-flops electrically. Moving into the cockpit area of the boat, you'll notice the power arch. It is electrically powered as well, laying down to give you more space in the case of a storm or anything like that in a boathouse, giving you enough room to get it out of the water. Moving forward to the helm area, this boat is powered with a medallion setup all the way across the board. This boat has 31 hours on it, 31 hours. Moving forward, you'll notice a ski locker in the floor for in-floor storage. Great seating on both sides. Moving forward to the bow area, this boat does have the GL Audio Diamond upgrade. As far as the lighting package, it has the complete lighting package, exterior and interior cup holders everywhere. In the arch, completely LED. Moving forward, you can see we do have a trailer on this particular boat as well. So this is a package deal on the Harris 250 Crowne. We thank you for watching this video, and remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com. Thank you.